Before starting the video, let me know you that we made a Jarvis guide GitHub repo in which all the instructions were given one by one as per the version and modules, which gonna help you guys a lot. So for this reason, please hit the like button. As you all can see, we have written the guide so clearly and in a detailed manner. Each and everything is mentioned on it. And to access this guide, just go to our video description, or you can also find this on our GitHub profile. And don't forget to support me on Instagram. Just go to our video description, you will find our official Instagram page link. Click on that and follow us on Instagram. Also, if you need the basic code of this Jarvis tutorial, you have to follow me and DM me on Instagram. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe it, and you will find a playlist on our channel regarding Jarvis tutorial. Kindly follow the playlist for better understanding. So without wasting any more time, let's move towards our
making the listening model. Let's create a folder first, named as body, and inside that we will create a file called listen.py. and one more file in our database called listen.txt. And guys, please support me in this type of tutorial videos, because it is not easy to make you understand everything. It takes time in coding, editing, scripting and many more. So please watch the videos till the end and don't skip it. So in this video I have tried to explain each functions clearly. But if still you have some questions or doubts, then you can ask me in Instagram. Just like the PyAI reply.txt file, listen.txt file will also work as same. Both is used just to print the text. Let's begin towards the listen.py file and write some codes there. As I have explained this in the first video of this series. So without wasting any time, let's import the modules and initialize the WebDriver. And the one thing which we have added newly is that we have to enable the microphone, because the website needs access to our microphone to recognize our words. After giving permission to the microphone, we have added sleep 15 seconds, because in the initial stages it starts printing the introduction, so we have to wait and clear it. After that we have to make some main functions like remove emojis function, start function, clear function, and more to functions. We have set a variable named started to false because we gonna use it globally. So in the while loop function it is used, and in a start function also. Which means once we runs the code, if it is false, we will call some functions and then set it to true, for which a single work will be done a single time even in a loop. And don't worry guys, this code will be provided to you for free. Just you have to follow me on Instagram and DM me, I will reply you for sure. And the interesting thing is that you guys can get shout out on my Instagram. Just you have to run the Jarvis project and mention me with a pic or video of it. I will mention you guys for sure. And let me tell you about the functions. So the clear function is used to click on the clear button to clear the introductions. Same the start button is used to click on the start button to start listening our voice. Sorry guys, when we are recording this clip the recorder got lagged, so we are unable to show you this part of the video, but I swear it works and we are legit. You can try it yourself. Just run the file, and when it says listening, then just speak, it will convert your speech to text. So this is all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, hit the like and subscribe button please.